On the dashboard, we've got several changes for you guys on the dashboard. We had the outbox stats available, so you could see anything that was in your outbox. Your outbox are mail, things that you need to send as either email or SMS. And if there's anything past due, you could click on it. You could see the past due items. You could deal with them and do the stuff. What we didn't have prior to the update this past week was calendar items. So if you have past due items or things that are due today or whatever, you now can see the count on those. And the way we're doing it off of this one is, instead of just taking you straight to the calendar, we're actually bringing you, so like here's some past due items. I'm just going to click on past due, and it'll show me all the things that are past due. And then I can just go into each one of them and deal with them how I need to. If I need to change it, if I need to complete it, delete it, whatever, I can do that right from here and it deal with them. So this just gives us a way to make sure that we're dealing with our past due items, making sure that they get done the way they're supposed to. Okay. As you complete them, delete them, this list will continue to get smaller. And it does show you the count down here in the bottom left. If you get to a point where you don't have any zeros, that's good. Or you have all zeros, that's good. You've done everything for the day or whatever. There is an area here for due today, and this is due today, but it's not overdue. Okay, if you've got some activities that were due today, but the time has passed on them, they'll be listed in this overdue area, and you need to deal with them probably first, because they're past due technically, but they're only past due today. If you've completed items that were due today, they'll be in this due today and complete. If you've got things coming up in the next 4 days, and I'm going to give you guys the ability to change this right now, it just does 4 days, is you can you'll see that, and that way you kind of know what's coming up in the next few days. And then if you completed it today, whether it was past due or whatever, it'll show as completed today, just so that you can go back to items that you did complete today if you need to. So I hope that is useful. Likewise, we've got the ability to do the call list. So if you've got calls in your call list that are past due or whatever, and I've got a lot of test stuff that's just past due, I can click on that. It'll take me to the call list and see all the different things that needs to be done. So let me go to this one. I'm going to edit this and just set this to today at 4 p.m. Save that. Now it shows as today, 4 p.m. If I go to my dashboard and I look at my call list, you'll see due today, and it is a whenever you're doing your todays, it will show you if there's certain tags or types of calls. It will group those together as well for you. So that one was a birthday call list. If you've got 5 or 6 birthday calls, it'll show you how many of those are birthday calls.